favorite product. Then I'm gonna go into the Versed The Fix Emergency Under Eye Mask. This is amazing. I keep it in my skincare fridge as well. It's super cooling underneath the eye. It's supposed to help with depuffing, and I love this in the morning. Oh, this feels so amazing. I love that product. So I'm just gonna let that sit before we go into eye cream. My current favorite eye cream is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This has a brightening effect and it looks like a yellow kind of color. This is going to help brighten up the eye even more. So I think to just tap that all around. And it gives a really nice sheen underneath the eye as well, which I personally love for when I'm not wearing makeup because it just illuminates the under eye. We're gonna go into moisturizer. This is my favorite daytime moisturizer. This is the DMK acu-moist hydrating lotion with SPF. This gives such a beautiful glow to the skin, so I love wearing this when I'm not wearing any makeup. And I'm gonna add in the Versed Found the Light powder with vitamin C. This is going to assist with brightening up the skin. It's just like a little powder. Also gonna mix in the Drunk Elephant Debronzi Sunshine Serum because when I'm not wearing any makeup, I love having a tanned glow because I just feel like it just makes me look way more put together. So I'm gonna mix all of that together and just apply it all over the face. No matter if I'm doing makeup or not, I always like to brush up my brows just so they're not hanging down to the floor. So we're just gonna brush those up like that. I like to curl my eyelashes so that I look way more awake. And the last thing is lips. So I like to use a tinted balm when I'm not wearing any makeup. This is the Tinted Lip Glow Balm from Catrice. And I just like to apply that on my lips because it gives a little bit of a sheen. And then I also like to put some on my cheeks. Ooh, and just dab that in. When I'm not wearing any makeup, I also love a really, really shiny lip balm. I love when things are hydrated when I'm not wearing makeup because I like to just soothe the skin and rehydrate. So my favorite one is the Laneige Lip Sleepy Mask, or they just came out with their amazing lip glowy balms. Those are fantastic as well. And that completes this video.